So, hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss the problem from the weekly contest of LeetCode. Find the distinct difference array. You in this question basically you are given a zero indexed array nums of length n, and the distinct difference of nums is an array difference of length n such that diff I is equal to the number of distinct element in the suffix and the number of distinct element in the prefix. Return the distinct difference array num. So basically, in this question, you have to just you have uh, you have given a array, and these are array nums. Let us say you have 1, 2, 3, and 4. So in this question, you have to calculate the number of distinct element in the prefix. Prefix means let us say I am at this index, right? I am at this index. So the number of elements, uh, all the elements from till 0 to this index is prefix. And when I talk about suffix, for this index suffix should be the number of elements from the last element till this is called suffix. So I have to calculate prefix and suffix for the array num, and return a difference array, which is the difference array diff which is difference array which is which is prefix minus suffix at any index. So which is pre I, which is pre I minus suffix I. So yeah, basically we have to calculate prefix as the number of distinct elements. So uh, if I calculate prefix for this, so one is so only one element is distinct, so this gives me one. Only there are two elements distinct, so this gives me two, and this gives me three, and this gives me four. And why I'm talking about the suffix for this, this gives me suffix. We have to calculate the suffix for all the elements which are greater than this element. So for 4 the suffix should be 0, because we have to calculate the suffix from all the elements greater than which are greater than this index. So there is no element which is greater than 4, so this gives me 0. So now for this index we having suffix equals to 1, because 4 is greater than this index and is distinct as well. And for this index 2 we having two distinct elements, so this should be 2. And for this element, for this index we having three elements which are distinct as well. So when I do the difference between them, so the difference arrays looks like it is -2, 0, 2, and 4. So I have to just return this difference array. So I hope this problem is quite easy. So to store the distinct element, I use a data structure called set. Set is basically set which used to store the distinct element, right? This gives me the number of distinct element in a set when I calculate this its size, right? So let's uh, see the code for this. So just I basically store the size of the nums array in n, and create a prefix and a suffix array and a difference array. And I create two set 1 and set 2, and I insert num I in set 1, and then I calculate its size and store it in prefix at that index. And uh, then I first store the size of the suffix in the set 2, and then insert num array num element from the array in the set, and then I just do the operation which I have to follow. Difference I is equals to prefix I minus suffix I, and then just return the difference array. I do this. I calculate the size of set to store this in suffix, because I have to calculate, because in this question this is mentioned that the suffix should be all the elements which are greater than this, and prefix should be all the elements which are less than or equals to. So that's why I store the size uh, before inserting it, right? So I hope the problem is clear, and for more such videos subscribe to the channel. So thank you.